It is on, Stefan says. So let's get the show on the road. Exactly. My name is Daniel, and I run Nordic Anglers. I want to show you some cool new stuff and some things that are on sale and stuff. But the first thing I want to show you is this. We've decided to add some Bayou sunglasses to our web shop. And basically we have decided to do this because Bayou is just absolutely amazing. I mean the whole experience of actually unboxing one of these is awesome. This casing for the reel is made from something called cacti leather. I don't know if they have actually skinned a cactus or whatever, but it feels really sustainable cactus leather, it says here, but it feels really nice, and you know, it's just that feeling of something being of superior quality, and you get that all the way through with Bayou. You also get that feeling at the exact moment that you put these on. I've had my Smith Guide's Choice for 10 plus years now. Really happy with those, and they have been a very trusted companion. But now I'm gonna retire them because these are better. These fit me really well, but the color of the lens, and this is the yellow colored one, is just absolutely amazing because it of course removes some of the light, but it also allows quite a lot of light in as well, which means that here in the Nordic conditions I can use these all winter, and I can use these in the really low light conditions early morning and late evening. And that is one of the features that is most important for a set of all-round glasses, at least on the waters that I fish. So I think Bayou has done an excellent job. This is the model here is called Vega. It's a slightly broader fit than a standard fit, so it fits my head really well. We have both a standard fit and then a wider one. The Bale's Beach is the standard one, and the Vega model here is the broader one. But I must say, it just feels really awesome to wear these and to fish these. So proud and happy to have added some of the Bayou glasses to the shop. They are nice, they are durable, they're strong, and they're of course made with glass, and they're here to stay. So I'm gonna pack these down and add them to my put them back out in my fishing bag. The next thing is we've added just a ton of Cortland lines to the webshop. We are updating the webshop as we speak, so I don't think every single one of the Cortland lines that we're going to add to the shop is there now, but it's a work in progress. Cortland is at Nordic Anglers in a big way, and we're really happy to have these lines and to start selling these lines. Quality lines through and through, a great quality made in the US, and it's just nice to have a third brand of lines in the shop as well. So really awesome stuff with that. Of course, just a quick showing of these. The Smain bobbin and the Smain material clip have very fast become the top seller for this month, so I just wanted to show them again because this is an awesome product. If you haven't checked these out, then you definitely should. Also, just a quick heads up, we're selling out of the Alpha Plus and the Winston Air Salt. We have marked these down by 30% because they're going to be discontinued. So if you're in the market for one of these, get some while there is some available. They're selling out fast. And the last thing is we have bought a big stock of space shrimps. These are basically shrimps tied on Ahrex hooks with real whiting spay feathers. So we've bought a bunch of these, and they're on sale as well. So they've been marked down, I think something around 35 to 40%. So if you're in the market for filling your coastal fly box or just shrimps in general, for whatever bonefish or whatever, then you should swing by and get some of these space shrimps from Nordic Anglers, because they are at a really nice price just now. I think that covers it, right, Stefan? I think that's it. Well, basically some new glasses, new lines, space shrimps on sale, a new dubbing twister from Smain, and of course the ever popular Winston rods are, some of the Winston rods are marked down as well. So yeah, that's it. Thank you a lot for watching, and I wish you all the best of luck out on the water. Go get some.